Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Diana here again. How you guys doing today? I hope you had a good week and I hope you enjoyed my last video. Okay, today we're going to be doing something a bit different. We're going to be sharing one of my passions with you, which is cooking. If you've ever wondered how to achieve that smokiness in Nigerian jollof rice, gather here because in this video, I'm going to be sharing one of the easiest recipes with which you can achieve that. I'm also going to be sharing one of the easiest ways to get vegetables into your children. Okay, this recipe I'll be sharing with you today is packed full of nutrients from healthy fats and oils, carbohydrates, proteins, and of course, vegetables. If you don't like to make your stews, sauces, or jollof rice from scratch every time, or you don't have the time for that, watch this video for a quick pepper blend based recipe that can be refrigerated or frozen for up to 3 months. Okay? As a final bonus, come watch me make an absolutely gorgeous looking air fried chicken that was as delicious as it appears. Alright guys, let's get into it. So let me just say thank you to all my subscribers. Thanks for the likes, the comments and shares, and I'll see you all in my next video. If you're new here, please go ahead to like this video. Comment new in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe.